Okay, let's start a new project. So we'll click here to new project, and over here you can choose either a template for social media use already set to those sizes, or you can choose your own. So I'm just going to type in 1800 by 1200. That's kind of a low resolution, but we'll just keep it there for now. I'll learn about that another day and hit create. To get my images in, I can copy paste them in, or I can go to File, Open and Place. This way I can browse through my photos and I can choose whatever I'd like to import. So I'll just say that my name is Sarah for today and insert this image here. Now this is already fit to the size of the canvas. I'm happy with that, so I will click check to confirm, and we're ready to play. So the first thing that we're going to do is to